One way that we can increase engagement is to give every child a sense of belonging. And I want you to think about that kid who you think is not belonging. What can we do to give them a sense of belonging?
My presentation is about getting educators to recognize their biases around cultural linguistic behaviors that are subtle, that are nuanced, and then showing them in a practical way how they can validate and affirm them by how they talk to the students, relate to the students, and teach the students.
Cultural Linguistic Responsiveness, it is about giving outrageous love. What's outrageous love? It is more love, because you have some students right now who are telling you, I need more.
Well, something that I've always heard, but he's reinforced, is that, the smiling to a kid, that might be the only smile that they ever get. And so I think that's something that all of us teachers really need to remember to do.
You have the energy that you project for the kids, really uplifts them, so it really benefits everybody.
Just getting that aspect of knowing where your students come from, learning their backgrounds, and engaging them in their learning makes a big difference.
The students are going to get stronger relationships, more meaningful relationships with the educators, because what we're trying to do is get educators to deepen sort of their sense of who their students are, so then they can better interact, better relate.